Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to send Snapchat photos to a WhatsApp contact. Let's get started. Method 1. Share Snapchat photo as a link. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. You can either take a new photo or tap on the Memories icon to select an existing photo or video. Once you've selected your photo, tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Export or Send Snap. Now, choose WhatsApp from the sharing options. Tap on the Share button and it will redirect you to WhatsApp. Select the contact you want to send it to and tap on the Send button. This method sends the snap as a Snapchat link. When the other person opens it, it will open inside Snapchat. Method 2. Send Snapchat photo as a normal image. Open Snapchat and go to Memories. Select the photo you want to send. Tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner, then tap on Export or Send Snap. This time, swipe left on the sharing options and tap on Download. Wait until the photo is saved to your gallery. Now, close Snapchat and open WhatsApp. Open the chat where you want to send the photo. Tap on the plus icon next to the message box and select Photos. Choose the downloaded Snapchat photo from your gallery and tap Send. Now the photo will be sent as a normal image instead of a link. And that's it. That's how you can send Snapchat photos to WhatsApp using 2 simple methods. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.